Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making a moist chocolate cake without an oven. We're going to be steaming the cake batter till it cooks, or till you poke a toothpick in it and it comes out clean, then it's cooked. Let's get started. So the ingredients for the cake batter are basic. We're going to be needing 1 cup all-purpose flour. So I'm just gonna get pouring that in there. The second ingredient is 1/3 cup cocoa powder. Let's get adding that. You can add any cocoa powder you want. That's in. Now we're gonna be adding 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder, and I'm gonna be adding 1/2 teaspoon salt over here. You can't see it because you can't see it. I'm gonna be putting that in. Okay, so now the baking powder is in. You can add 1 teaspoon of baking soda if you want, but I'm not adding that. So the next ingredient is 1 cup white sugar. I'm adding 1 cup powdered sugar. You can add grinded sugar like me, or just normal sugar. The white sugar is in. Now we're going to be adding 2 large eggs. I have 2 large eggs over here. I'm going to be cracking these eggs in. Let's do that. Okay, now the egg is in. You can see both of the eggs, large eggs, are in. Now I am going to be adding 1/4 cup vegetable oil. I have it over here. Put that in. Now, after 1/4 cup vegetable oil, I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup full cream liquid milk. Here, I have some milk. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder, but with 1/3 cup hot water. But I'm not going to be doing that. So now you can see that all of the ingredients are in, plus the wet ingredients. Now I'm going to be mixing it with my machine. So let's do that. Okay, now guys, I'm going to be mixing with my beater. Let's get doing that. Okay, now everybody, I have mixed and the cake batter, and it's all smooth. So now we're going to be popping this in a cake pan. I'll bring the cake pan over. Here I have a cake pan that is covered with, the inside is covered with some baking paper so that the cake would come off from the cake pan when it's done. So I'm going to be adding the cake batter in this. Get adding. Let's add. Okay, now you can see that the cake batter, the smooth cake batter is in. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be steaming it on the stove in a big pot. Just add 2 to 4 cups of water, tap water, not drinking water, but it's your choice. Add tap water, 2 to 4 cups. I'm going to be adding 4 or 3 cups, and then set it on medium flame, and then you will get your results. Let's cook it. Okay guys, It's been 30 minutes and the cake is ready. I put on the frosting. Now you can see right here. The cake turned out to be a success. So basically what I did was cut the cake into 2 pieces, and then I put some frosting in between, and then I put the other half on, and then I put some more frosting on the top. I spread it all the way, and now it's done. Okay, so the reason why I made this cake today was because Eid is coming. Eid ul Fitr is tomorrow, and I really wanted to prepare something. Prepare a sweet dish. That's why I made a cake. So I just don't want the cake to look a little plain like this. That's why I'm going to be using some grinded weedable biscuits. I grinded these weedable biscuits. I'm going to be using them as decorations. So let's get started. I'm going to be bringing the cake. Now I'm going to be writing E on it. I'm not going to be doing it with a spoon. So let's just put some biscuit and shape the letter E, then I, and then D. I think that looks like an E. I hope that looks like an E. I hope it's an E. Okay, so let's do it. Here you can see I put it over there. So let's just cover these boundaries with some grinded weedable biscuits, and then we are done. Let's do that. Okay, now I've covered the boundaries with some grinded weedable biscuit. Here you can see